Hey! Good morning! Ayan, nandito po ako ngayon sa music video shoot ng aking ilalabas po na career single from my latest album. Abangan niyo po yan. This song is composed by Mr. Venny Saturno. It's called Sino Nga Ba Siya? Yun.
Dito sa mataas.
So basically, sino nga ba siya, no? Given na yung title, medyo na nag-cheat ba ng konti yung kanyang mahal. Kaya tinatanong ng girl to, sino nga ba siya? Mas matimbang ba siya kaysa sa akin? So, ayun. Medyo gloomy ang feel ng music video namin. So, ayun. Lungkot-lungkutan.
Yung kanta tungkol sa mag-boyfriend, girlfriend na sobrang matagal na sila. Tapos hindi tong guy medyo nag-change ng mind, so hindi alam ngayon nitong girlfriend kung ano ba talaga yung reason kung bakit parang nagbago yung isip ng guy. Gagamit tayo ng depressive na mood, so gamit lang tayo mga tones na nasa gray, white, black, gano'n. So medyo malungkot talaga siya. Sa nakita natin ng mga huling taon, medyo ang genre ni Sarah nasa scope pa ng mga teenagers. Ngayon dito pinapakita yung maturity niya. Itong music video na to, iba to dahil para sa isang music video, gumagamit tayo ng camera na ginagamit talaga para sa mga TV commercials, mga pelikula, top of the line camera sa ngayon. At sa magaling natin na creative director at director, si Direct Paul, marami siyang mga ginagamit ng mga bagong techniques.
Camera! Rolling! I think we have it. Playback natin the verse.
And more elements probably the feather and the roses and the glass. I need water, yeah.
Stand by my cue. And 3, 2, 1.
It's a love triangle. So as the song says, sino nga ba siya sa puso mo? Sarah is asking about this guy who she dedicated everything, all her life, and all of a sudden, this guy suddenly turns cold, and she starts to wonder why. Only to know that there's another girl involved. So it's a very heartfelt song, and it's a song that I think everyone can relate to. For this one, we wanted to really capture the emotion. So what we did was we rented a very unique camera. It's called a Wisecam. We got it from CMB. This is a camera that really shoots high speed in slow motion. So it's gonna be really nice to see a lot of things coming together in slow motion, in super slow motion. It's not your typical slow motion that we do. It's the first time being used. In fact, this camera is only being rented out for commercials. And because it's a special music video, that's why we needed something special as well. There are a lot of things that you can really do, especially when you collaborate with the artist. And I think that's the best thing that happens with us and Sarah, especially with me and Sarah, when we do the music video, because we collaborate. I ask her what she wants and what she wants to achieve also. And vice versa, I tell her what we want to have in the music video.
This is a second generation of high-speed camera, the Wisecam. Kasi may mas nauna is yung HS1, pero ito mas latest na can record a high speed for about 4,000 frames per second. Itong shot natin na to is 2,000 frames lang. So, nag-shoot tayo ng HD. 720 kasi yung 4,000. Pero, enough na for product shots. Ginagamit namin to for TVC, mga high speed na mga moment. Ito yung alam ko na first na ginamit for music video.